Hi, my name is Maria Louceiro and I'm a photographer. I photographed several concerts, festivals and portraits for clients such as Adobe, Red Bull and also the major news music media Pitchfork. Analog cameras, creative filters and experimental techniques are the tools that I use most in my work. What makes them special nowadays is their ephemeral quality and the way they capture the light. There's just something magical about the moment when I see my pictures for the very first time. Since I am limited to a number of photos, it's necessary to plan in advance how and what I want to shoot in order to express moods and emotions. I try to show my model's personality and create a mysterious atmosphere through light and colors. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to use an analog camera and how to apply experimental methods using in-camera filters and post-production. I will teach you how to conceptualize, direct your models and turn your visions into reality. As your final project, you'll do a series of portraits using an analog camera and applying the experimental methods I will teach you. I will start by explaining the differences between some analog cameras and film formats. You will then understand about aperture, speed and ISO. We will then research and prepare a mood board with ideas and visual cues for our photos. At this point, we'll be ready for the photo shoot. First of all, we will choose the backgrounds for the images inside a park. We will then set the cameras and start to direct the models in order to create a relaxed environment. We will dive into the experimental side of analog photography using my favorite filters, such as cellophane paper, a decoration cube, and even a Christmas ornament. After the photo shoot, I will digitalize my films using a simple scanner, and I will show you how to select and edit your images using Lightroom and Photoshop. Last, you'll see how to build a portfolio and use social media to promote your work. At the end of this course, you'll be able to bring out the best of your portraits through analog methods. You'll only need films, an analog camera, a film scanner, and a computer with Lightroom and Photoshop previously installed. Capture through your analog lens the unique vision that exists inside of you.